JagranJosh.com brings you the top 5 news out of 95 of the week, which can help the students and aspirants in various competitive exams. Current Affairs Bulletin Headlines. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approved amendments to Mega Power Policy 2009. India and Maldives signed 3 Memorandum of Understandings. Financial Inclusive Index 2013 launched by credit rating agency CRISIL. Scientists design Mauchly software to predict weather. TCS to set up world's largest corporate learning center in Trivandrum. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approved amendments in the Mega Power Policy 2009 on 2 January 2014. The objective is to increase power availability to boost overall growth of the country and also ensure that consumers are reasonably charged for electricity supplied. India and Maldives signed 3 Memorandum of Understandings. On his first visit after elections, Maldives President Abdullah Yameen Abdul Gayoom signed 3 Memorandum of Understandings with India on 2 January 2014. These Memorandum of Understandings are Memorandum of Understanding on Cooperation in the Field of Health, exchange of letters on extending the Memorandum of Understanding on manpower requirements of the Indira Gandhi Memorial Hospital, and Memorandum of Agreement for allotment of plot to the High Commission of Maldives. Financial Inclusive Index 2013 launched by credit rating agency CRISIL. Indian credit rating agency CRISIL launched a Financial Inclusive Index 2013 on 2 January 2014. The index showed an improvement of 2.7% in the financial inclusion in India in the year 2012. However, the All India CRISIL Inclusive Index score of 42.8 on a scale of 100 reflects under-penetration of formal banking in the country. Scientists design Mauchly software to predict weather. Researcher from the National Autonomous University of Mexico designed the software Monitoring Climate Change or Mauchly, which can predict weather of any place in advance. Mauchly can calculate bio and agroclimatic indicators such as humidity, aridity, rain erosion and rainfall concentration and relate them to the crop's production figures for explanation of a possible event. The software feeds on data from weather in all the states and countries. TCS to set up world's largest corporate learning center in Trivandrum. Tata Consultancy Services decided to set up the world's largest corporate learning and development center in Trivandrum, Kerala. The foundation stone was laid by the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 4th January 2014. The learning facility will be built over an area of 6.1 million square feet and will have the capacity to train 15,000 professionals at one time and 50,000 professionals annually.